Day before yesterday, on Monday, we started with a new story, Hamlet, and till now, the story. I will give you a quick review of the story till now. That Hamlet is a prince and he is a university student, a young boy. But then, what happened that suddenly his father died, and his father, who was a popular and kind king, everybody liked him very much. All right, thank you very much. You can. I've seen that you all are listening. Thank you. Okay, so um, then what happened that obviously as Hamlet loved his father very much, so he became very upset at his death, and he was upset. Okay, that was natural, but after that he became even more upset when his mother. He loved his mother also. Then what happened that within 2 months of the king's death, his mother, Queen Gertrude, she married um, the king's brother. So, uh, King's brother, he was Claudius, and Claudius, as Hamlet did not like Claudius at all. Claudius, in comparison with the old king, was not a good person. He was a wicked person. And then, when Queen married Claudius, that was very upsetting for Hamlet. He did not like the idea. He was not happy at this marriage. And then, what happened that after that, the only thing that was upsetting Hamlet, and actually everyone else, they also noticed the strange behavior of the prince. They noticed that Hamlet was still, even after a few months of the king's death, he was not coming back to his normal life. And then Claudius and uh, Queen, they wanted him to be normal, so they called him, talked to him, but even then Hamlet was not coming back to normal, and that was that was very very disturbing for the queen and very very disturbing for Claudius. Anyways, now Hamlet was he was thinking negative. He was thinking of everyone as a liar. He was thinking of everyone as a cheater. He thought that everyone around him was a cheater. So, because he was leading a disappointing life at that time, his state of mind was very negative at that time. So, he thought that he should die because there is nothing left in the life. He thought that um, the world is full of unhappiness, the world is full of problems and all that. So this was very he was disappointed. Anyways, his best friend Horatio, he came to him and he told him that the castle guards, they had seen a ghost. They had seen the ghost of his father last night. And as Hamlet heard that, he realized that there must be something very wrong going on around. That's why the ghost has come. And he was very he thought that there is something very important that the ghost wanted to tell him. There is maybe most probably there is a secret that the ghost wanted to tell him. That is why it has come back. So Hamlet decided to talk to the ghost the same night, the next night. And as he was waiting for the as he was waiting for the ghost that night in the midnight, what happened that as the ghost came, he asked the ghost that why has what exactly is the reason, why has the ghost left his grave and came back. So he asked the ghost, and he told him that it is said most of the people of the country, they came to know that the king was actually bit by a snake when he was sleeping in the garden. This was the story which was told by Claudius and all other people to the country people. That how did the king die? The king died because a snake bit him while he was sleeping in the garden. So now the ghost is telling Hamlet that it is not true. The truth is that uh, his death was not a natural death. He was actually murdered. He was actually murdered and very brutally murdered, very cruelly murdered. बहुत बेरहमी से उसका कत्ल किया गया था. ये वाली बात हेमलेट को उस गोस्ट ने बताई. एंड ही सेड दैट, कहा तो ऐसा गया है, कहा ये जाता है कि किंग की डेथ इस तरह हुई कि while he was sleeping in the garden a snake came and bit him. This is not true. He said that the one who killed me, वो जिसने मुझे कत्ल किया है, now rules my kingdom. So it means that he is telling that Claudius had killed him while he was sleeping in the garden. All those who are trying to on their videos, please do not just stop your video, otherwise you all will be removed from class and will not be allowed to enter the class again. And this is final. So it means that what was the secret the ghost wanted to tell Hamlet? The secret was that Claudius had killed the king. Now, this is um, okay. Ibrahim. All right. So it means that now Hamlet. We will come to know as we will go on with the story that what was the objective, what was his aim, why did Claudius murder the king. Now, what is he saying? My uncle? Hamlet asked eagerly. Eagerly means excitedly, एकदम से बेचैन होकर. हेमलेट ने क्या पूछा कि मेरे अंकल ने. एंड हु इज द अंकल? क्लॉडियस. वो बहुत हैरान हो गया ये वाली बात सुनकर. द लुक ऑफ द टेरेबल सॉरो ऑन द गोस्ट फेस told him that he had guessed correctly. Terrible sorrow, इंतहाई दुख. शदीद dukh. Sorrow means dukh, and terrible sorrow means शदीद दुख की जो उसके चेहरे पर, गोस्ट के फेस पे जो इतना शदीद दुख नजर आ रहा था, उससे ये पता चला कि हेमलेट ने बिल्कुल सही गेस किया था. ही वॉज राइट. आई न्यू इट, द प्रिंस एक्सक्लेम्ड. तो हेमलेट ने क्या कहा कि मुझे पहले ही पता था. बिकॉज he did not know that Claudius had murdered the king, but he knew one thing, that Claudius was not a good person. He was a wicked person. He was a bad man. He knew that thing. Okay, Claudius had murdered his own brother. Now he did not know that Claudius is such a bad man that he had murdered his own brother. अपने सगे भाई को उसने कत्ल किया था. He had wanted both to be king and to marry Gertrude. Now, what is the objective here in this line? In this line, we have come to know that what was the aim of Claudius? Why did he murder the king? Because he wanted to be the king, one thing. And second thing, that he wanted to marry the queen. So there were two aims that Claudius wanted to get. There were two objectives that he wanted to get. One, he wanted to be the king, and second, he wanted to marry the queen. So for these two reasons, he killed his own brother, the old king. While the old king was sleeping in the garden one day, Claudius had crept up and poured poison in his ears. So actually, Ghost is telling the whole story. What happened actually while the old king was sleeping in the garden one day? One day, what happened that the old king was sleeping in the garden? Claudius had crept up. Crept up मतलब चुपके से आना, खामोशी से आना, दबे पांव आना, खामोशी से क्लॉडियस जो है वो अंदर आ गया एंड पोर्ड, पोर्ड का मतलब है उंडेलना, डाल देना। पोर्ड, उंडेल देना, जैसे पानी को जग में से ग्लास में डालते हैं तो पोर्ड मींस उंडेल देना, उल्टा देना। तो क्या किया उसने कि ही पोर्ड पॉइजन इन हिज ईयर्स, उसके किंग के कान में, ईयर्स के अंदर पॉइजन डाल दिया एज ही वाज स्लीपिंग। इट वाज अ हॉरिबल डेथ एंड बिकॉज the poison was such a strong one that as it was poured into the ears, the king died at once. And it was a terrible death. It was a horrible death. It means that he died suddenly and it was very painful. Because of the poison, his death was very, very painful. He felt a lot of pain before he died. बहुत ही तकलीफ दे मौत थी, बहुत ही खौफनाक मौत थी जो उसको आई। And now, son, your dear father is unable to get to heaven. And you know what? That as the Christians believe, जो Christians होते हैं वो इस बात पर उनका अकीदा होता है, यकीन होता है कि जिसके साथ ज्यादती हुई होती है या जिसके साथ कोई नाइंसाफी हुई होती है, उसकी रूह जो है वो भटकती रहती है, वो जन्नत में नहीं जा सकती जब तक कि उसके साथ किए गए जुल्म का बदला नहीं लिया जाता। So what is he saying that, and now son, the ghost is saying that now Hamlet, your dear father, is not able to go to the heaven. He is not entering, he is not allowed to enter into the heaven. क्यों? Because until and unless his revenge is taken, जब तक उसका बदला नहीं लिया जाएगा वो जन्नत में नहीं जा सकेगा, because he is not feeling peace, he is not having peace. I died before I could pray for forgiveness, and now I must burn. Now, the reason that why he is not able to enter into the heaven, one, because उसके साथ बहुत जुल्म हुआ था। दूसरी बात ये कि the poison was so strong that as it was poured into the ears, he died suddenly, very quickly. He died very quickly. All right. So then what happened that he died so quickly because of the strong poison that he did not get time to forgive, for to ask for forgiveness, माफी मांगने का, तौबा करने का वक्त उसको नहीं मिल सका, जिसकी वजह से क्या हुआ है कि ही इज नॉट एबल टू एंटर इनटू हेवन, जिसकी वजह से वो हेवन में एंटर नहीं हो सकता है, जन्नत में दाखिल नहीं हो सकता है, or he is not getting peace. I command you. I command you means I order you. Command means order. I order you. If you are my son, if you are my son, you must get revenge for this. You must get revenge for this terrible murder. Now, what is the ghost saying? He's saying that I order you. मैं तुम्हें हुक्म देता हूँ. If you are my son, अगर तुम मेरे बेटे हो, if you are really my son, if you love me, you must get revenge for this terrible murder. It revenge means badla. अगर तुम मेरे बेटे हो, तुम मेरे इस खौफनाक कत्ल का, terrible murder, खौफनाक मर्डर, खौफनाक कत्ल का बदला जरूर लोगे. Help me to find peace. And this was the only way they believe that he will get peace and go to heaven, only when the revenge would be taken, and when Claudius is punished, only then the old king would be able to enter into the heaven. But the ghost added, do not harm your dear mother. Now, what is the ghost saying? Do not harm. Harm means नुकसान पहुंचाना. Now the ghost is continuously talking. He's saying, added का मतलब होता है मजीद उसने क्या कहा, but लेकिन do not harm your dear mother. It means that अपनी मदर को तुम कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाओ. आप अपनी मदर को कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाओगे. You must leave her to be punished by her conscience and by heaven. Now, what is he saying? That you will not punish your mother. Do not harm your mother. Do not cause any harm. उसको कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाओगे. You must leave her. उसको छोड़ दो. और छोड़ दो. To be punished by her conscience. Conscience का मतलब होता है ज़मीर. Your own mind. Your own thinking. How do you feel? समटाइम्स आपको पता है, जैसे हम लोग कभी कोई गलत काम करते हैं तो हमारा जो माइंड होता है वो हमें कंटिन्यूअसली उस बात के लिए कंडेम कर रहा होता है. कंटिन्यूअसली हमारे दिमाग में ये बात चल रही होती है कि हमने गलत किया है, हमने गलत किया है, हमने गलत किया है, ऐसे चल रहा होता है. तो ये चीज होती है, इसको कहा जाता है जमीर. तो उन्होंने कहा, गोस्ट ने क्या कहा कि तुम अपनी मदर को छोड़ दो और उनको पनिशमेंट खुद ही मिलेगी. किससे? उनका जमीर, उनकी फीलिंग्स, उनका माइंड उनको खुद ही पनिश करेगा. एंड बाय हेवन. हेवन का मतलब यहाँ पर है कुदरत. तो कुदरत जो है वो खुद ही उनको जो भी सजा देगी वो देगी. उनका अपना जमीर उनको सजा देगा. यू शुड नॉट हार्म हर. यू शुड नॉट पनिश हर. यू शुड नॉट कॉज एनी हार्म टू हर. देन द गोस्ट वैनिश्ड. वैनिश्ड मीन्स डिसअपियर्ड. गायब हो जाना. ये सारी बातें करने के बाद जो गोस्ट है वो गायब हो गया. Okay. Oh God, from this moment on, I swear I will think of nothing except the ghost's command to get revenge for this murder, Hamlet shouted to the night sky. After listening to all these things, ये सारी बातें सुनने के बाद, he shouted, he looked at the sky. Hamlet looked at the sky and shouted. क्या कहा उसने? चीख कर कहा, ओ गॉड. ही इज कॉलिंग द गॉड. वो अल्लाह ताला को बुला कर, पुकार कर बुला रहा है. और वो क्या कह रहा है? फ्रॉम दिस मोमेंट ऑन, दैट फ्रॉम दिस वेरी मोमेंट, फ्रॉम दिस मिनट, इस मिनट के बाद, आई स्वेयर. इट मीन्स मैं कसम खाता हूँ. आई विल थिंक ऑफ नथिंग. मैं किसी और चीज के बारे में नहीं सोचूंगा एक्सेप्ट द गोस्ट कमांड टू गेट रिवेंज फॉर दिस मर्डर. सिवाय किस बात के? जो गोस्ट ने मुझे ऑर्डर दिया है. गोस्ट ने मुझे ऑर्डर दिया है कि मैं इस कत्ल का बदला लूं. इस बदले के अलावा मैं कोई और बात नहीं सोचूंगा. मुझे ये बच्चा भी कल भी बहुत ज्यादा ये अब्दुल्ला हसीब की आईडी पे से याद. इज नॉट अब्दुल्ला हसीब. ये अब्दुल्ला. इब्राहिम आसिफ जो है, ये मैंने देखे बगैर एडमिट कर लिया है. इसको दोबारा किसको? ऑलराइट. इब्राहिम आसिफ, आपकी स्क्रीन को अनम्यूट कीजिए प्लीज. आई वांट टू टॉक टू यू. इब्राहिम आसिफ.
हेलो हेलो, अस्सलाम वालेकुम टीचर. यस.
हेलो इब्राहिम आसिफ.
हेलो, अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम सलाम. कल आपके पेरेंट्स आएंगे तो आपको मैं एडमिट होने दूंगा क्लास में. ठीक है? जो आप लोगों ने हरकत की है ना वो सारी रिकॉर्ड हो गई है. उनके सामने दिखाऊंगा. आप थे, अब्दुल्ला शहजाद था, और एक और बच्चा है. उनके घर अभी फ़ोन आने लगा है. तो आज से आप क्लास में एडमिट नहीं होगे. तो कल आपके पेरेंट्स आएंगे स्कूल तो आप आओगे. ठीक है? इसको रिमूव कर दिया, अभी दोबारा नहीं आएगा. ठीक है? यहाँ से रिमूव करें इसको. और जो बाकी दो हैं, इसका बताएं ये नाम क्या है इसका.
ये अब्दुल्ला हसीब की आईडी से ये कल लॉगिन कर रहा है.
अब्दुल्ला सीब है ना, ये देखें.
दिस इज नॉट अब्दुल्ला हसीब.
इसको भाई है ना,
भाई है.
इसका बता दें. ये भी देखेंगे अगर है.
ये 6 क्लास की किसी
इसका नाम क्या है? ये लड़का मुजम्मिल लग रहा
सर मिस शाहजिया को बुलाएंगे. बताएं.
है. मुजम्मिल है.
सर मैं शाजिया को बुलाया, वो बताइए।
इस 60 के बच्चे इधर क्या करने हैं?
नहीं अभी 7 में आ गए हैं।
7 में आ गए।
तो शाजिया बताइए।
इसका भाई है वो,
नहीं इसका भाई नहीं।
वो अब्दुल्ला वो
तो शाजिया प्लीज बताइएगा
ये
ये
कौन
कौन
है?
है? मुझे नाम नहीं याद, शायद वही
मुजम्मिल मुजम्मिल मैं जानता हूँ।
मुजम्मिल है।
7 का नहीं सर?
70 सॉरी 70।
मुजम्मिल को देखिएगा, मुजम्मिल है यहाँ पे।
मुजम्मिल लुकमान, मुजम्मिल शाजिया, ये कल अब्दुल्ला हसीब की आईडी से ओपन होगा था बात। अब्दुल्ला हसीब तो मुझे पता है कि बहुत अच्छा।
ये जरा देखिएगा, मुजम्मिल है यहाँ पे। ये क्या कर रहा है मिस? ये भी 7 में चला गया।
हाँ जी ये 7D में है।
मुजम्मिल ऊपर सर्च कर रहे हैं, मुजम्मिल।
मैंने आपको बताया
क्या नहीं है?
कल 2-3 बार Alright, alright, students, as you all must have seen, you must have noticed that all these things are being recorded, and anyone who is misbehaving during the class, the whole thing is being recorded, and the students, they will not be allowed to enter into the class. They will not be allowed to enter into the class until and unless their parents will come and the whole recording will be shown to them. So anyone who will misbehave during the class is not going to be spared now. We do not have time to tell you to do this, not to do this. अब हम लोग ऐसा नहीं करेंगे. So these students who have misbehaved, they will not be allowed to. All right. We have Muzammil Khan, and with that we have Abdullah Shehzad also in the list. Ibrahim Asif. These 3 students are not going to be allowed to attend the class until their parents will come. Anyone who is opening their video and showing their video, everything is being recorded. All right. So, it means that now Hamlet has made up his mind. He is determined to take revenge. वो क्या चाहता है? उसने अपना पक्का इरादा किस बात के लिए कर लिया है कि अब वो और किसी चीज के बारे में नहीं सोचेगा सिवाय इसके कि उसे इस कत्ल का बदला लेना है. Hamlet shouted to the night sky, but as Hamlet grew angrier and angrier, he could not stop thinking of his mother. But there's one thing. Although the ghost has said that he should not harm his mother, ghost ने कहा है कि वो अपनी मदर को कोई नुकसान ना पहुंचाए, मगर हेमलेट इज नॉट एबल टू, उससे ये हो नहीं रहा. As he is thinking about the murder continuously, he's thinking of the murder all the time, he's thinking about taking revenge from Claudius. But there's one thing that he cannot throw out of his mind. अपने दिमाग से वो निकाल नहीं पा रहा है. क्या चीज नहीं निकाल पा रहा है? अपनी मदर की बात. Because what he thinks that actually the murder of the king is a whole conspiracy, एक साजिश है जो कि क्लॉडियस और उसकी मदर ने शायद मिलकर बनाई है. So with that, her marriage had hurt him so much, and after that, so the whole picture, it seemed like that. कैसे उसको सारी चीज नजर आ रही थी? वो समझ रहा था कि his mother and Claudius, they had murdered the king, and afterwards they married because maybe they had planned it in such a way. उसे लग रहा था कि ये सारी चीजें एक प्लान थी. And now he had found out that this Oppo A30, if you will enter with your name, only then you will be allowed to enter. And now he had found out that she had married his father's murderer. And now there's one more thing. Now he has found out means अब उसे ये पता चल गया था. उसे ये पता चल गया था कि his mother had married his father's killer, murderer. अब उसके father के कातिल के साथ उसने शादी कर ली है. How could he forgive her? अब तो वो उसे बिल्कुल भी माफ नहीं कर सकता था. अब तो वो बिल्कुल भी इस बात को जहन से नहीं निकाल सकता था कि how could, पहले तो उसको सिर्फ इस बात का अफसोस था कि she married so quickly within 2 months of her husband's death. मगर अब उसको इस बात का मजीद इस बात का के लिए और गुस्सा आ गया था कि उसने अगर शादी की भी तो किसके साथ की? उसके फादर के मर्डरर के साथ शादी की। When Horatio ran up to Hamlet, he found the prince was very excited. Now, by this time Horatio जो कि पीछे खड़े होके इंतजार कर रहा था, वो भागता हुआ हेमलेट के पास आ गया। उसने देखा कि प्रिंस जो है he was very upset. एक्साइटेड का मतलब यहाँ पे हैप्पी नहीं है, एक्साइटेड का मतलब यहाँ पर है बेचैन, बहुत बेचैन था। he seemed as he was if he was half mad and he was talking to himself, अपने आप से बातें कर रहा था, and it looked like as if he was mad, ऐसे लगता था जैसे वो पागल हो गया है। Hamlet made his friend and the guards swear never to tell anyone. Now what happened, the first thing was to keep the secret about the ghost. सबसे पहले उसने क्या किया, सबसे पहले उसने ये किया कि उसने होरेशियो को और वो जो गार्ड उनके साथ था, he asked them to swear, उनसे ये वादा लिया, प्रॉमिस लिया, उनसे कहा कि वो कसम खाएं इस बात के लिए, never to tell anyone what had happened that night, never to tell anyone about the ghost, कि किसी को कभी भी वो इस रात को क्या हुआ ये कुछ भी नहीं बताएंगे, गोस्ट के बारे में कुछ नहीं बताएंगे। Then he warned Horatio that from now on he was going to pretend to be mad. Now he's telling he has thought of a plan. उसने एक plan सोचा। अब वो plan क्या है? That he would pretend. Pretend means to act. ड्रामा करना, एक्टिंग करना, ऐसा शो करना। तो उसने क्या कहा कि वो क्या करेगा, उसने होरेशियो को वार्निंग दी, उसको पहले से बता दिया कि अब से वो ऐसा प्रिटेंड करेगा जैसे कि वो पागल है। So what is the plan? That Hamlet would pretend that he is mad. प्लान ये है कि हेमलेट इस तरह से एक्ट करेगा जैसे वो पागल हो गया है। होरेशियो को उसने पहले से ही वाली बात बता दी है ताकि वो इस बात को he knew everything, so he should know he is his best friend and he had a good reason for it, and he said he told Horatio that don't think that he's doing it just like that, ऐसा नहीं है, बल्कि उसने कहा कि मुझे मेरे पास इस बात के लिए एक खास बहुत बड़ी वजह है, मैं ऐसा क्यों कर रहा हूँ, आई हैव रीजन फॉर इट। बट हेमलेट डिडंट टेल हिम द गोस्ट टेरिबल सीक्रेट, लेकिन हेमलेट ने होरेशियो को भी ये नहीं बताया कि गोस्ट ने उसके साथ क्या सीक्रेट शेयर किया है। ठीक है जी। अच्छा, इसके बाद क्या है? आई डोंट नो। All right, students, we will start the new chapter, Hamlet's Madness, tomorrow. And if you have any questions regarding the story till now, you may ask any questions. Uh, pause कर दूं।